Hello and welcome to Quick Teaching Tip. The tip is about asking question the right way. So there are two reasons why we teachers ask question in the classroom. One, to check students' understanding about the topic which has been taught, and two, to make students think about the topic being taught. Now take a look at the two students I have in my class. Let's call them, say, Ravi and Lata. As soon as I ask a question in the class, Ravi jumps to answer, although the answer may not be exactly correct. But due to enthusiasm, he always raises hand, sometimes both the hand. But Lata, who needs time to think through, so it takes time for her to answer. Now, when both of them are there in the same class and when one raises hand, we usually ask question to the person who is raising hand. And persons who may know the answer or may not or may wish to try, keep mum. If you give time and make sure that everyone gets chance to answer, the whole class will remain engaged with the lesson. It will make the shy student confident and even slower ones try to find answer. So top tip 1 is, after asking the question, wait. Give them enough time so that whole of your class start thinking. Thinking is when learning happens. Top tip 2. One of the most common method of deciding who will answer is to ask students who put their hands up, then choosing someone to answer randomly from those who put their hands up. This is not very efficient. If you do the opposite, it will be better. The moment someone puts their hand up, student know the person will be asked to answer. Many a time, above intelligent student keep on answering always in every class. Others often feel ignored and switch off. Here is a simple idea to solve the problem. Make some question stick. So these are different colored sticks which you can easily make. To make question sticks, it is very simple. You take one ice cream stick. If you have not got, you can just cut strip of any cardboard, that will do. Here there is some paint, water, brush and a marker, also a glass to keep them. So I am taking some paint. I am taking one ice cream stick where I will paint only half of it. I am painting both sides of it, but only upper half. I am keeping some time to dry up. So the color we can use, maybe their house color or whatever. Everyone's one ice cream stick. So if your class has 25 students, there may be 25 ice cream stick. If there are 5 houses of different color, we can have 5 into 5, 5 colored ice cream stick, 5 each. Here everyone's roll number can be written, even name can be written with marker. So I am keeping it for drying up. Now this is dry. I put Lata's roll number 14 here, and here I write the name Lata. This way I can write everyone. 26 is Ravi, and this way once I have to make everyone's question stick. Our ice cream sticks are ready. Now when you go to the class, you can take these question sticks with you, and after your explanation, you can just pick up one stick and see the name. Roll 14 Lata, can you answer the question? So when you ask a question, instead of saying, who can answer, please raise your hand, don't tell that. If someone jumps to answer, you don't allow them. You just pick up a stick and see the name and just ask that person. If he or she know, they will answer. If not, she wants to think a bit, say, okay, take your time. I am giving you some time. You can even see the book, but I will take the answer from you only. So this way, if you keep on asking question to each one, each stick will be taken up, and the moment he or she answer, you put it upside down and keep it. So this way you know this person has answered, and whoever not, you can keep their stick there. So next time, instead of asking whoever already answered, you ask the other one. This way everyone will get chance to answer. Even weakest student of the class cannot keep mum So this way question stick will help you to make everybody in the class engaged in the learning. Nobody will fall behind and everyone knows that they will be asked questions. Hope you found this useful. Let me know how this worked out in your lesson. Share the idea, like and subscribe to my channel, and happy teaching.